Hello! To mute messages on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are two ways to do this. And the first one, you can go into the settings, from here go into the notifications and app notifications, and from here tap right here and search for messages. And here are two messages applications, the Google one and the Samsung one. You can disable both of them, and actually from here you will not receive any notifications from anyone. Actually, from just the messages notifications will be muted completely. But if you want to simply disable notifications from some particular contact, you have to go into the messages application, and I will show you how to do this on both applications. First, the Google application. Let's go into the messages on the Google application. You have to press on any conversation that you want to mute. Press these three dots on the top right corner, go for the details, and here are notifications. You have to press on this one, and here simply press silent. And from now on, you will not receive any notifications from this particular conversation. And to do this, the same option right here in the Samsung messages. Let's go right here. We need to quickly change this as default. And from now, let's simply right here. It's pretty easier because you have to press and hold on any conversation right here. And just like this, here is the button for the notifications to actually mute them. And here we have this icon of this bell, which informs you that you will not receive notifications from this contact.